Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Okay, don't be sad. Good afternoon, Yaleen. How about that? It's better because we are at noon. Yes, we are. Okay, girls, today is Thursday. It's the weekend, yay! And it is 19th of November 2020. Today we are going to learn about lesson 5. How do people impact ecosystems? What do I mean by impact? How do people interact with ecosystem? How do they deal? How do they make it better? Or even if they are making it worse, how do they do that? We will learn how do they affect the ecosystems around them. Yes, Yalayan?
I know how to make them better.
Very nice, very nice. So I will ask
Can
you.
I give an example?
Of course. Why not?
Like, we always have to make our ecosystem clean.
Our environment clean. Excellent. We need to keep our environment clean. Excellent. Yes, Talia.
Teacher, I think when you are asking us, are saying what are the things that can make the environment like worse, is that like throwing your trash out.
Yes.
The people are trying to put trash cans everywhere, so you don't try to just throw it on the floor, because that doesn't only affect the world, that affects animals.
Yes, excellent. That's right. That's right. Now, take a look at this page. It's page 221. Look at this page. What has caused millions of ash trees to die? This is an ash tree, okay? It's called an ash tree. What causes it to die? From the picture, what do you think it is? Yes, Talia.
A big giant trash thing.
What about this insect? Do you think that this insect maybe ate the tree?
Oh, what is that?
This is an insect.
I thought that was a trash.
No. This is an insect. So the larvae of emerald ash borer has infected millions of ash trees. This insect have infected millions of ash trees. The larvae feed on the inner bark of the trees. It eats the inner bark of the trees, which causes trees to die. So this is how some insects affect some trees, okay? In this lesson, we are going to learn the words pollution, conservation, endangered species. Everyone knows what's a pollution, and conservation means to save the resource that we are using, or to use something wisely. And endangered species, do you know what does it mean, endangered species?
Yes.
So what does it mean?
Like in Australia, species are endangered.
Yes, they are in danger, and they are, maybe if they die, there will be no more of them, of their kind.
Like they will be extinct,
Like what, ya Maria?
dinosaurs.
Like in Australia, when the animals, they nearly went extinct. They were endangered animals.
Yes.
Like the koalas.
Yes, excellent. Just like that. Very good. Okay. What is the natural environment? Look around you. What do you see? You may see trees, land, water, and sky. All of these things are make up the natural environment. Okay? Anything you find in nature. I love you. Thank you, Satalia. And I love that you love science. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Everything you see in nature, we call it natural. It includes from the environment, so it's the natural environment, okay? Our environment, it's made up of living and non-living things. We know that. And things that make up the Yes, and things that make up the natural environment includes what? the air we breathe, the water we drink. They also include living and non-living things that people and animal use for shelter. Is that right?
Yeah,
Rocks,
like also
rocks
the
and
stone.
stone. Yes, remember the limestone? I told you yesterday.
Mhm.
Limestone
Yeah.
is used where?
Um,
In making what?
to build houses.
Excellent, but in making what? Cement. We use
Oh,
cement.
and cement.
Yes, yes. It's a non-living thing, but you can find it in the environment. So it's helping us to make shelter for us homes. The natural environment is the source for all the natural resources that organisms need to stay alive. Look at this bald eagle. This bald eagle, it finds shelter in the tall trees. It hunts for food from the air. Is that right? What
Yeah.
about the rainbow trout? Look at the rainbow trout. It's a kind of fishes.
Teacher, I didn't see it. It was blending in.
Oh, sorry. This
Now here.
this small fish lives where? In water.
Yeah.
And it's
Like
finds it
other fishes.
excellent. It finds shelter and food in a lake or a stream. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So it uses the natural world for shelter, food, just like us. What about the deer? Where does it live?
Deer lives in the forest.
Yes, maybe grassland. And they might find food and shelter where? In the valley. They find food or shelter in the valley. Animals and plants make up the living part of the environment, and organisms get what they need from where? The environment. Okay? You want to write? Okay, I'm going to give you the chance to write. Let's start from here, and then we will go to the next one. If you finished writing, just raise your hand, okay, guys?
Okay, I'm almost done.
Very good.
Raise our hand.
All right, girls, let's go to the next page over here. Earth is the global store. What do I mean? What do we use from Earth? Look around you. Take a look at this picture. What do you see and we can use for living? Yes, Yelayan.
For living in Earth,
Yes,
we
it
use
looks like a store. What do we use from the natural environment for us to use?
farms.
Farms, excellent. What do we use from farms? What do we make?
We make of
Food?
fruit,
Excellent. Fruits. Fruits for food. What else do you find in farm?
plants, animals.
Animals, plants. Excellent. What do we use from animals?
Some animals we use from them like milk, like
Excellent. Milk.
cow, and some animals like a chicken we use from them the chicken like.
And eggs. Excellent. Thank you, Leanne. What about you, Lean? How can we use shelter from our earth?
Like we can take, like let's say we're trying to find food other than finding with with animals. Like
Oh, how about shelter? How can we make shelters from what?
with tree.
With trees. Excellent, excellent. So we can use the land to grow crops, or we can have energy production from fossil fuels. If some engineers dig the land, they will find fossil fuels under the ground. What else? What about
And
water?
more about
Water. Miss, I know water.
Yes, water for what? Yes.
Water is like from a pond or like
No,
a
not
river.
a pond. from lakes, rivers, oceans. We use them for drinking, washing, or even watering crops, watering the farm so they can grow more and we can have more food.
Planting.
So natural resources are found in the environment and they help us to meet most of our needs. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Help us
And
meet a lot of our needs, actually.
yes, yes. So on farms such as this one, the one in the picture, plants are grown and animals are raised. Which natural resources do you think farm uses? Huh? What are the natural resources that the farm are using? Hmm. They are using water. It's a natural resource. What
And some
else?
and grass for the sheep.
Uh,
Yes, excellent. Very good. So they can feed the sheep from grass. Yes.
and also they use the what do you call it, trees for food.
Yes, excellent, excellent.
And not all
Very good.
trees are for food, but I think that trees are so I like the trees, the one not for food but for like flowers. If you see it, you're gonna feel like inside where it's like you're in quiet place.
Yes,
I like see
yes.
like flowers or going to a farm that has flowers and learn more about plants.
Nice. You love plants?
Yeah, I like that. I planted one
Same.
in
Nice, nice.
house.
Plants are a very good resource for oxygen. Do you know that? Do you know
Yeah.
why they are very good
Yeah.
source for oxygen?
No.
I know why.
Yes, Lynn, tell me why.
Because because some because sometimes if we don't have plants, we can't really live. We can't have oxygen. So plants give us oxygen a lot
Okay,
because
how plants give us oxygen during a process? Do you remember what do we call that process? They take in something and they give you oxygen.
Photosynthesis.
Yes,
photosynthesis.
excellent. Photosynthesis. So they take in that carbon dioxide and they give us oxygen. So they
Yeah,
are very good resource
exactly.
for oxygen. Now, how can people change the environment if it's a bad
Yes.
change? How they can change it?
I know.
Hiya,
Change.
Maria. Maria, how can people change the environment?
Well, if it's in a bad way, they can leave plastic bags in the ocean.
Excellent. And what do they cause when they leave plastic bags in the ocean?
Turtles can eat it.
Yes, and they might die. So they can cause a pollution. Excellent. Can you read for me here, rocks?
Okay. Rocks, ores, oil, and coal are natural resources found beneath the ground. People dig tunnels and even remove entire mountain tops to obtain these resources. In the process, they may cause pollution. Pollution happens when harmful substances mix with water, air, or soil.
Excellent. So when they are digging or finding some natural resource, they might cause pollution. So what should they do, Yalayan?
They so they can stop this pollution.
Yes, how can they stop this pollution? Maybe use it wisely? How they can use it
Yes.
wisely? When they, yeah,
Like we like the water, if we don't we why do we have a garbage?
yes,
We use only the garbage just to see it and say hi garbage, or to clean our environment, or like protect our
excellent,
environment from pollution. That's
excellent,
why people
excellent.
they make stuff to keep safe their environment from pollution.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you, Leanne. Another way of damaging the environment is mining. Mining means to find minerals. Can you see down here? trucks are trying to dig the mountain and break rocks into smaller pieces for mining. They are finding minerals. They want to know if there's minerals or not. They can cause pollution by doing that. Yes, yes, Science Queen. Excellent. Yes. Also, over here, oil rig explosion in the Gulf of Mexico polluted the water and coastline with oil. So while they were digging and finding oil spilled out all over the ocean. So it mixes with the water and polluted the ocean environment. So the fishes will get harmed. The plants that they live in the ocean will get harmed. So all these are pictures of pollution and how people, when they want to use a natural resource, they can pollute the environment without even knowing that. Okay, guys, that's enough for today. We're going to
That's so
complete.
sad.
Oh, I'm so sad too, but don't be that much sad because we are going to complete next week. But now we have to enjoy the weekend.
Weekend.
Yes, guys. Yes. Thank you
Yeah.
for participating, for being here with me, for answering. And I love you guys. I love your ideas.
No, Miss,
One more
thank
thing.
you for giving us the best
Lesson
podcast
ever.
I love you, girls. I love you. One more
best
thing I would like to say
information.
for you. Happy Children's Day. Today is the Children's Day. Yes,
Children's Day.
yes,
Which
it's
is
a Children's
Children's
Day.
Day.
Yes,
How
it is.
Children Day?
It is
I
the,
know.
I don't
the World
understand.
Children's Day. It's the world.
Day?
It
For the
is
Queen.
the World Children's Day. The whole world is celebrating Children's today. So I would like to tell you, you deserve the best and you make the world even much happier and amazing. You own
Yeah.
the world. So please stay
You
safe,
make
stay
happiness.
happy, and I love you guys. Bye bye.
Day.
Happy
Miss,
Kids
if
Day.
any house is happy, just know that it's because of children.
Of course. Yes, that's right. Of course. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Love you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
We